What plants keep insects at bay? In this video, we will show you 7 plants that repel insects and bugs. Mosquitoes and flies are 2 insects that regularly fly around our house and annoy us, and as if that wasn't already bad enough, they can also transmit diseases. Whenever we notice them around our house, our first reaction is usually to grab some repellent to keep them away. But did you know that there are some plants that can also keep these insects far away from your home? And they can also keep other pests away, such as aphids, cochineals, and caterpillars. The best part is that they're natural and smell much better than bug spray. These plants repel insects due to the essential oils present in them, which happen to be what gives them the pleasant odor. In other words, having rosemary or lavender planted in your garden will significantly reduce the appearance of these unwanted insects. In today's video, we're going to show you some of the best plants to keep insects and pests away from our homes and gardens. Basil. Basil is great at repelling mosquitoes and flies. It does best in sunlight, therefore, it should be placed near windows and doors. Marigolds. You've probably seen these bright yellow flowers before, but did you know that the strong fragrance repels some bugs as well? Catnip. While catnip may attract the neighbor's cats, it keeps mosquitoes away. A study has shown that it can be 10 times more powerful than store-bought repellents. Rosemary. Similar to basil, rosemary's smell can keep insects away, but it can also serve as a delicious herb to use in your cooking. Which gives you 2 good reasons to have this herb around. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums contain pyrethrin, which is a natural insecticide. This substance will ward off flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and even beetles. You can rub the leaves of this flower on your skin to help prevent mosquitoes' bites, for summertime outings. Geranium. One of the most common plants used to repel insects and decorate porches. Geranium smells strongly of citronella and lemon. There are also ivy geraniums, which contain a substance that serves as a natural insecticide and repellent, which will help keep mosquitoes away. Citronella. This is probably one of the best known plants to repel insects, and it's used to create sprays, oils, and candles. The plant serves as a repellent on its own, but the leaves can also be rubbed over the skin to give added protection. Try crushing some citronella leaves on and rubbing them all over your body. You can also leave them in alcohol for a few days and use it as a spray. When used with catnip and geranium, it becomes even more potent. If you liked this video, and you feel it's helped you, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We look forward to providing you with more healthy content.